Good morning, Hope School. It is day 2 of Battle of the Books. Today we have Drama versus Warriors Into the Wild. You are going to hear a brief summary of each book, and then afterwards you are going to go to the library Google Classroom and you will vote for which book is going to move on in Battle of the Books. Drama. Callie loves theater, and while she would totally try out for her middle school's production of Moon Over Mississippi, she's a terrible singer. Instead, she's the set designer for the stage crew, and this year she's determined to create a set worthy of Broadway on middle school budget. But how can she when she doesn't know much about carpentry? Ticket sales are down, and the crew members are having trouble working together. Not to mention the onstage and offstage drama that occurs once the actors are chosen, and when 2 cute brothers enter the picture, things get even crazier. Warriors. Book number 1, Into the Wild. For generations, 4 clans of wildcats have shared the forest according to the laws laid down by their warrior ancestors. But the Thunder Clan cats are in grave danger, and the sinister Shadow Clan grows stronger every day. Noble warriors are dying, and some deaths are more mysterious than others. In the midst of this turmoil appears an ordinary house cat named Rusty, who may turn out to be the bravest warrior of them all. Thank you, Hope School. I hope that you get a chance to vote which should move on to the next round, Drama or Warriors Into the Wild. And as an FYI, if either of these books sound interesting to you, I do have both of these books in the library available for checkout. Hope begins with you.